Sana ni Mama yung kanyang bagong cellphone. Oh, ayan. Meron siyang bagong cellphone. Yan. So ano yung brand ng bago mong cellphone, Ma?
Vivo.
Vivo. Ayan. Muna itong silupin.
Sophia, naupod ka man na video. Joke lah.
So Vivo Y11. So may day free na headset. Yan, headset. Sige, open it. Actually, online eh. Baratohon lang yung cellphone. Pero at least first time niya magkabago ng cellphone. Kasi yung mga cellphone niya is second hand, galing sa mga anak. Pinaglumaan na, binigay sa kanya. So ngayon at least bago yung kanyang phone. Ayan, dahan-dahan. Baliktad ba? Baliktad. Yan. Okay. Wow. So, wow. Ay, ini screen protector? Tiri. Ayan. Wow. Ay, madadisting ka mo siya, Rom.
Wow.
Wow.
Ano nalagay po halapat tali?
Oh.
Mrs. Brookline is gonna be here soon, so I'm gonna need my tea set back.
Sige, open. Open.
Okay.
May kayong papa ini.
I gotta fix this.
Ay, putang din mo. So, jelly case. Putang. Ayan.
We're gonna make a new lid for Dazzle's teapot.
Oh, what will you say?
Find something like clay that we can shape.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anong sasabihin mo?
Salamat niya, madam.
Salamat, Shopee! Sabihin mo, salamat, Shopee!
That looks pretty good.
Salamat, Shopee.
Uh-oh. That won't work. It's too soft and squishy.
Yan. So, meron na siyang bagong phone.
Oh.
Set your phone. Okay. Set. May naka...
Sim ka, ibutang nila, Ben.
Set your... Oh, ayaw, anay.
In the oven. That'll make it nice and crispy.
Ibutang niya tag-sim ka din.
Oh, parang wanta na yun eh.
Memory card.
Pocky?
Set up. English. Philippines. Agree. Network.
Facebook pa po.
Anay, kaya mag-save kita.